Greetings! Why should we develop skills in writing manuscripts? A manuscript serves as an important body of work that communicates our knowledge and expertise. As physicians and eye care professionals, a well-polished, thorough, and factual manuscript is an important step in our professional journey, and therefore it is critical to know the best practices for presenting information and new findings to our peers and to the greater medical community. How can we translate research into a story? To make it interesting, clear, and easy to understand, we should think as if we were the readers and should ask colleagues to read it first and give us feedback before submitting and have it reviewed and improved by a language professional. Scholarship in health professions education should be informed by evidence, and clinical educators should consider contributing by developing writing skills, becoming journal reviewers, imparting experiences as clinical educators with peers and advance the field, and fitting our story to the manuscript format and with the scope of the journal to submit. It also provides us the experience of summarization and also to be prepared for rejection, resubmission, and extensive revisions. When thinking about the structure of an article, we should always keep in mind that we are writing to express ideas, findings, and not to impress, and also can achieve section cohesiveness, efficiency by using simple English, active voice, and short sentences. And IMRAD, standing for Introduction, Methodology, Results, and Discussion, is one of the most common used formats of structured articles to impart original research. Literature review is another format of a structured article. PRISMA stands for Preferred Reporting Items for Systematic Reviews and Meta-Analysis and consists of a 27-item checklist which represents the evidence-based minimum set of items for reporting in systematic reviews and meta-analysis. And there are several types of reviews ranging from systematic to narrative reviews, critically appraised topics, scoping reviews, and all those can differ by the speed, the methods detail, the risk of bias, and comprehensiveness. Conducting a literature review is a vital part of medical research and a foundation for future research. When conducting a literature review, there are 5 steps that should be observed: identifying key terms, locating literature, critically evaluating selected literature, organizing it, and summarizing literature. There are several formats of manuscript designs: original interventions, brief reports, research letters, systematic reviews with or without meta-analysis, narrative reviews, special communications, clinical challenges, etc. Understanding different manuscript types allows authors to write effectively and succeed in publishing their work. And while few manuscript designs exist, knowing what type of study can be reported using a certain template improves the formatting of the manuscript and facilitates the peer review process. Should you be interested in expanding a bit more how to develop skills in writing manuscripts, you are more than welcome to visit Module 18 on how to write manuscripts of the Teaching Skills for Ophthalmic Educators online series of the Ophthalmology Foundation. Thank you and good writing.